Starting an online business today doesn't require coding or design skills. All you need are the right tools. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that can help you launch and grow your business, even if you're a beginner. First up is Systeme.io, a free funnel builder for beginners who want to sell products or build an audience. You can create landing pages, email campaigns, online courses, and automate everything without coding. The best part? Systeme.io has a forever free plan, perfect to get started. Green free forever badge over Systeme.io screen. Excited user expression. Modern UI background 16.9. AI assistant helping user create video timeline on InVideo. Friendly interface. Clear visuals 16.9. Whether you're making YouTube videos, reels, or ads, InVideo gives you stunning results in minutes. And finally, we have Canva, the all-in-one design tool for creating thumbnails, presentations, and social media content. You don't need to be a designer. Canva has drag and drop tools and thousands of ready-made templates. Want to create a brand kit or work with a team? Canva lets you collaborate and stay consistent. With these 3 tools, you can handle everything: website, videos, designs, all without hiring freelancers. Systeme.io helps you grow your email list and turn visitors into paying customers through smart automation. It also includes built-in tools for blogging, affiliate management, and payment processing, all in one place. InVideo's AI tools help save hours of editing with automatic captions, transitions, and stock visuals. You can even add AI voiceovers in different styles and languages to fit your audience. Canva makes brand consistency simple with reusable templates, custom fonts, and shared design folders. Need content fast? Just start with an AI template, tweak the text, and export your design or video instantly. Here's how I use all 3. Systeme.io for funnels, InVideo for videos, and Canva for graphics. Super efficient. You don't need a big budget to look professional. These tools do the heavy lifting for free or low cost. So if you're ready to turn your idea into income, these AI tools are the perfect place to start. Check out the links below to get started with Systeme.io and InVideo. No credit card needed. And if you want more free tools and tips, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome with AI.